Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the truth or dare filter on TikTok. It's really easy to do. So you guys want to start over in the Instagram application. Open up Instagram, and you want to search for an account called Roy Berardo, so ROY_BERARDO. Open up his account, and you just want to head over to the filters tab. Scroll down and you'll see the truth or dare filter. So you just want to click on try it. And then once you make a quick video, just like this, you can just click the save icon, so the one right to the right of the X, just to save it to your camera roll. And once it's saved, you could want to exit Instagram, and you just want to head into TikTok. Then if you just go on the plus option at the bottom to create a new video, you can go to your upload. And then you'll see at the bottom there, you just have your clip that you made from your Instagram. Just like this. Want to click select. Just like this. And you can back out of there. Click on next. Just like this. And then next. Just like next. And then you can just go ahead and post this video here. And that is how you get this filter on TikTok. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.